Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. I am Sneha and I am a research student. In this video, we are going to see an interesting concept of timescales. The theory of timescales was introduced by Stephen Hilger in his PhD thesis in 1988. His main aim was to unify continuous and discrete analysis using the concept of timescales. Now we will see what is meaning of timescale. A timescale is an arbitrary non-empty closed subset of the real numbers. Usually, this symbol is used to represent a timescale. Further note that it is supposed that a timescale T has the topology that it inherits from the real numbers with the standard topology. Now we will see some examples to clear our concept of the timescale. So here are some examples. First three examples are of natural number, set of integers and set of real numbers. These three sets are closed subset of real number, hence they form infinite timescales. Next example is of closed interval 0, 1. We know that every closed interval of the real number is closed subset of real numbers, so this will form a timescale. Fifth example is a set containing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we know that every finite subset of real number is always a closed subset of real number. So this set will form a timescale. Next example is union of interval 0, 1 with interval 2, 3. Now as both these intervals are closed intervals, so they will form closed subset of real number and hence their union will be again a closed subset of real number. So this will be an example of a timescale. Next example is union of interval 0, 1 with set of natural number. Again both these sets are closed subset of real number, so their union will be a closed subset of real number, hence it will form a timescale. Next is an interesting example. Here we have taken union of set containing numbers 1, 2, 3 with interval 4, 5. Again union is taken with set containing numbers 11, 12 and 13. Now all these three sets are closed subset of real number, so their union will be again a closed subset of real number. Here is the pictorial representation of this set, and clearly as it is closed subset of real number, so it will form a timescale. Next are some different type of timescales. So here the set is HZ. Here with every integer we have multiplied that integer with a fixed real number h. So this will be clearly again a closed subset of real number and hence it will form a timescale. Another is the Cantor set. We know that Cantor set is an uncountable subset of real number and it is closed. So it will be again a timescale. So all these are examples of timescales. Now we will see some examples which are not timescales. So set of rational number. We know that rational numbers are not closed, so it will not form a timescale. Similar to rational number, there are irrational numbers. They are also not closed subset of real number, so it will not form a timescale. Next example is set of complex number. This will not form a timescale. And here example 4, 5, 6. In these examples we have the open interval 0, 1 and semi-closed interval of the form 0, 1 and this 0, 1. These are not closed subset of real number, hence these are not timescales.